The authors of our channel fantasized about how the second generation of the simplified Apple smartphone will look like. In their view, the iPhone SE2 will be equipped with a dual camera, almost like that of the iPhone 11, and a midnight green body, which remains exclusive to the iPhone 11 Pro. A metal frame will be located around the perimeter, and a cutout typical of old iPhones will remain at the top of the display, Gizchina notes. Officially, Apple has not announced plans to release such a model. The release of the iPhone SE2 is expected in spring 2020. This model will be executed in a design similar to the iPhone 8, but will receive a modern filling, including the A13 processor and 3 GB of RAM. She was given a 4.7-inch LCD screen and a home button with a built-in Touch ID fingerprint scanner. Owners of the iPhone 6, who are not attracted by the fashionable features of the iPhone 11, such as multi-camera modules or Face ID, are called the potential audience of the news. iPhone SE was released in March 2016. This model had a compact, 4-inch display, Touch ID fingerprint scanner and sold for $399. The smartphone completely borrowed the design from the predecessor of the iPhone 5s, but many of its components, including the rear camera, were identical to the iPhone SE. At the end of 2018, iPhone SE sales were discontinued.